In primetime news this evening, sections of Bull Bay St. Andrew under quarantine after 30 persons found to have had direct or close contact with Jamaica's first confirmed COVID-19 case. And is Jamaica's health system prepared to tackle a sharp increase in corona cases? Residents out west are worried.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrew Laidley has our preview.
We have a plan. That's the word from the Bank of Jamaica this evening. In light of the COVID-19 outbreak, I'll have the update and much more in the financial week.
All right, thanks, Andrew. From Andrew, we'll go to Jordan Fort. He'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, remember that decision to cancel champs for this year? Well, I can tell you that one very important stakeholder has blasted that decision this evening. I'm going to give you all the details of that in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: what is your reaction to the government imposing a quarantine on the community of 7 Miles Bull Bay St. Andrew?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after the break.